Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanye. So what are we making today? Today we are going to be making some easy peasy chocolate mousse. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to make chocolate mousse, but we are using a dessert mix. Alright, so this is a Staffords brand. I did buy this from Pick n Pay, and it's literally just this dessert mix and some milk. That is all we're going to need. Alright, so let's get started.
Alright, so there I am taking the dessert mix, Staffords brand, Staffords, but I will write it in the description box for you. Empty all the contents of the packet into our bowl. And right after that, we're just going to need 1 full cup of milk. And literally, that is it. We start mixing. As soon as it's well incorporated and you are happy with how mixed it is, we're good to go. So you can use an electric mixer or you can use your hand. The electric mixer is just faster.
Alright, so here is our chocolate mousse. So we just use 2 ingredients here, which is 1 cup of milk and our dessert mix, the chocolate mousse dessert mix. So we just give that another stir with our spoon. As you'll see, it's very silky, nice and creamy. And what we are going to do now, we're going to pop this in the refrigerator for about 4 to 12 hours. So I like to use the maximum time, which is 12 hours. So we will be tasting this tomorrow. So right now I'm going to cover it up with some cling wrap, cover the bowl up, put it in the refrigerator, and then I'll be back to taste it with you guys tomorrow. Till later. Hi everyone. Alright, so it's the next day and our chocolate mousse was in the refrigerator for a little over 12 hours. So here it is. I'm going to unwrap our cling wrap here. So here's our chocolate mousse. As you can see, it's nice and firm and looks delicious, smells delicious as well. Alright, so we're going to dish it up into our dessert cups. You can use a scoop. So because I don't have it, I'm just going to use this spoon here. Dish up our mousse. It looks really delicious. Do you see how nice and firm it is? So this is why I like keeping it in the fridge for the maximum time. It smells really delicious. Right, so these are some Oreos. I've crushed them already. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top of our chocolate mousse. And that's it. We've got our chocolate mousse with some Oreo toppings there. And I am going to taste it now. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Oh my word. So rich, so thick, so decadent. I think I might just start using this as a filling in my chocolate cakes. This is really, really delicious. Okay, let me not have some more. I'm tempted, but thank you so much for watching. So this is chocolate mousse, an instant dessert mix. I did buy this from Pick n Pay once again. It was about 46, 47 rand, somewhere there. And you can even use this for dessert cups, for weddings or events. Sell this to people, box it in, package it, in the packages that we once did our Christmas dessert with. I'll link the video up there for you so you can check out the packaging. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.